SuperDesign is a website that allows you to design different kind of sites and different kind of landing pages as well. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and as you can see, we're presented with a prompt box. I'm just going to paste this into here. I'm going to say design a mesmerizing space-themed background with animated parallax pixel stars and a radial gradient atmosphere. Features 3 layers of stars moving at different speeds to create depth. And I'm going to use this AI designer here, and as you can see, there are also some looks like some presets. This looks pretty cool that you can use if you see one of these sort of themes that you like immediately. And I'm just going to click run and see what we get. Oh, excuse me. Okay, cool. So let's see. Let's see what we're getting here. Sweet. So we can see some code going on the screen. This looks pretty cool, I gotta say. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at what this output is like. I'm just gonna come back in a second, and then it looks like it's actually creating it already. Okay, cool. That was pretty quick. You can see this happening in real time, which is pretty cool. As you can see, we've got the thinking process here on the right as well. We've got the glass morphism UI, and we've kind of got it on this nice canvas, which is similar to Figma, that we can use, I assume, to actually just edit this out. So we've also got some feedback. I'm going to leave it at looks great, but of course you can also edit anything you want from this. You can select which model you'd like to use, and then you can just keep on going. So I think this is a great tool for designing different kind of branded assets. You can manage the kind of like logos and images and fonts you've got in here. You can actually add a project prompt as well, which is like pinned context that the model will remember whenever it's generating or editing different aspects of what you've got already.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Yeah, definitely interesting tool. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape or form, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys here that you actually get 100 credits per day, which is quite useful, just in case you wanted to give this a go on a regular basis as opposed to commit to any sort of subscription lock-in. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.